Actually not in a good mood right now because hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video actually I thought of showing you a day in my life, and we have come here in Manesar. It is a resort and the name is the Heritage Village Resort and Spa, right? So we have come here and we actually got late. It's like 4 p.m. right now. I'll just give you the tour of my room first. So I am all ready now, and we were like really hungry, so we ordered burger. Anything else you have ordered?
Yeah.
Just this? What
Dal
else?
chawal.
So we are having a burger. You can see there's Mohit, and of course my coffee. Hey guys, I am outside and Mohit is getting ready. I can hear some music going on somewhere. We're actually not in a good mood right now because we just got locked outside our room, and this happened like twice. We are actually not in a good state of mind because whenever we come somewhere outside we always lack time. We just got locked outside our room and he is not ready, and the time is flying, and it is, are you gonna wear this? So obviously you're not ready. The sun is gonna down and we will not have sunlight, and I haven't taken a single picture, which is not a good thing.
कब आ रहा है बुलाया अभी सुबह में
So guys, we are sitting at the pool side now. So here like there is the whole reception area, and then this is the pool area, and yeah, there's a sitting area over here also, and then there are rooms over there and over here. So we were sitting here, and then I'm going over there now. So this is the place. So there's rooms are there, and here also our room is like back there. So this right there you are seeing, this is a personal residence of someone. That one pool area is there. So we have come here now. So these are the rooms. There are like they call it cluster. So there are like some beautiful spots you can take pictures with. So you have to find the correct spot for taking pictures and everything. I can only think about pictures. Hey guys, I have barely vlogged. हमारे पास टाइम बहुत कम था और अंधेरा हो रहा था, तो मेरे को पिक्चर्स खींचनी थी जो मेरी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट थी. तो पिक्चर्स खींची मैंने, उसके बाद अब अंधेरा हो गया है. There's barely anything here. Like, I don't know. I didn't like it much. Don't know where we are going. Where we are heading now?
We are heading to
side. Okay, we are going towards the pool side where the dhol is going on. I don't know why. See guys, this is the pool side and there are like people over there who are singing Rajasthani song. They are singing there. See? So we are thinking of going out for dinner because there's like nothing much here. So we are thinking of going outside in like Gurgaon.
So yeah, that's the plan.
I'm gonna post pictures so you can check my Insta. I'll just leave my handle over here, somewhere here, so you can check it out. I'll just leave Mohit's Insta also if you want to check him out. But he's not that interesting. His Insta is not that interesting. You're not gonna find any like he barely posts. Hey guys, I just realized that I haven't showed you my outfit. So this was my outfit. So I got this t-shirt from Bewakoof and jeans are from Roadster. I got it from Myntra. So yeah, this was my outfit. Guys, this was the sheet I was talking to you about. So these were the activities. So like some of the activities are like for children, I believe. So yeah, this was the live performance. There was a band and then I don't know about this, and then there was Tambola which we didn't play, and then what is it? Yeah, this Rajasthani folk music I showed you guys. Guys, we are heading towards dinner. The restaurant name is Foresta. It is a very beautiful place. I'll show you. We have been there like before also. So it's a very beautiful place. There are like plants and everything. There are like sheds and everything. So I'll just show you once we reach there. So it's like 9 p.m. right now. Yeah. It's like 9 p.m. right now, and there's Mohit sleeping and showing some flashlight so that I can make this vlog. For dal makhani, which is my favorite. This is paneer lababda, naan, and what is this, misi roti, and then salad, and so we are having our dinner. So we just came back from dinner. So as you saw, it's a really beautiful place. It is near Golf Course Road. It is near Golf Course Road. The name is the Foresta. I'll just put it in the description box so you can check it out also. So it is a really nice place. प्लांटेशन है बहुत सारी और वहाँ पे शेड्स बने हुए हैं इतने ब्यूटीफुल. बट वहाँ पे एक्चुअली अगर आप बैठते हो तो आपका जो बिल है 3000 अबव होना चाहिए, या फिर आप ग्रुप में गए हो वहाँ पे, सो देन यू कैन सिट ओवर देयर. तो जो शेड्स हैं वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल हैं और वो डाउन स्टेयर्स हैं और हम सिर्फ 2 ही लोग थे तो हम ऊपर अपस्टेयर्स बैठे थे. So as you saw, there is a pool table over there also. You can play pool, and the books were there. So if you are a book lover, you can pick a book. You can eat while reading. You can drink while reading. So it is all in all a very good place. You can check the pictures also. You can Google it. Food is also quite good. I really like the dal makhani, and Mohit is a paneer lover. So he really liked the paneer. We are vegetarians, by the way, so we only eat vegetarian food. So we can give you the review of vegetarian food only. So the food is quite good. The drinks are also nice. Dessert. The dessert was like mind blowing. It was really good, and Mohit actually really liked gulab jamun, so he could not get the gulab jamun, so he just ordered. So we are gonna eat the gulab jamun now. If any of you goes there, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Please tell me how you like it if you visit there. So yeah, that was it. We are gonna just eat the gulab jamun. I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. It's 10:20 I think, and we are going for breakfast, and the breakfast ends at 10:30. So it's just like 10 minutes left. I don't know if they are gonna let us do the breakfast because we are late. Do you think they're gonna give us breakfast or they're gonna throw us out? पानी डाल दे प्लीज.
कॉफ़ी चाहिए?
हाँ कॉफ़ी चाहिए प्लीज. कॉफ़ी ला दो पहले.
शराब तो
नहीं इनको नहीं. थैंक यू. I can't work without coffee. I need my coffee. Anybody else is obsessed with coffee like me? I actually ate at the night now, so I'm not that hungry. I just need my coffee, that's it. I don't want to have this. What देखता हूँ I
जरूर लेता हूँ.
Okay.
Now I can think straight. I was not able to think straight without my coffee. I need coffee. I'm not liking it now. The sambar is cold. Sambar is cold.
So we just got done with the breakfast now. I got hungry in the night at 3:30, so I ate a whole ass burger. So I was not that hungry, but Mohit ate.
The tea.
You love the tea.
काट है तो लाजवाब.
It might look from the pictures that बहुत कुछ है यहाँ देखने वाला, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इतना. बीच में ये पार्क एरिया है और साइड्स में रूम्स हैं और कुछ है नहीं ज़्यादा, है ना. पिक्चर्स में ऐसा लग रहा था, जो हमने देखी थी उसमें ऐसा लग रहा था कि बहुत कुछ है यहाँ पे, है ना. नॉट वाओ. हाँ, सर्विस विल बी गुड ओनली बिकॉज इट इज़ अ 5-star होटल, सो सर्विस इज़ नाइस. बट इफ़ यू कमिंग फॉर अ डे then it's fine, and if you have kids then also it's fine. Kids are gonna love this place, I believe.
One more thing कि यहाँ पे pets भी allow.
हाँ, very important यार. हमने देखा है यहाँ पे कि लोग अपने पेट लेके आ रखे थे. I mean dogs only. So 2-3 people we saw, they brought their dog with them. So that's very nice, yeah. By the way, I'm planning to buy a Shih Tzu. Not planning to buy, but I have thought of, buying a Shih Tzu. So price actually depends on the room you book, right? So the cheapest one was around 7,000.
7,000.
The cheapest one was around 7K, and it depends on which day you book also, because we have booked it for weekend, so it was like 7K. You book it for weekday, then I think it might cost you less, or for like 5K or something. According to the room, the price goes high. So like there is a suite room also, and there are like some other rooms. Like for next week we were checking, so it is the same room is for like 10,000 rupees, because it's Gandhi Jayanti and everybody is having a off, so it's like 10,000 for the next week. So we came this week only. I'm also not sure that I'm gonna have my off on the same day.